All right, ladies and gentlemen. So today we got S&P 500 global news, trading news, and then some technicals. So if you like any of that kind of stuff, stick around. There is a live trade today, first day live trading. So we'll have a look at that. But yeah, if not, like the video, and yeah, we'll just move on. So overall, the S&P 500 heat map isn't looking too crazy. So we won't spend much time. But yeah, the Mag 7 is up, except for Nvidia. That's about break even, and then it is at 0.47% up today on the tech. So it is at all-time highs. And yeah, you'll see it looking pretty bullish. But yeah, overall, just your average daily ups and downs on the S&P. So we'll move on. Overall news, I had a quick look. But yeah, nothing too crazy on the overall news. To be fair, yeah, just simple day-to-day kind of stuff. The big ones today are the zoo. And then yeah, there's a lot of government there's a lot of government news coming in. So where are we? So yeah, your Japan ones, and then your UK, and then this was from Germany. So we'll have a look. It's a name I couldn't pronounce, but yeah, we'll just move on. So all right, so we got the European Central Bank speak. So yeah, we got food price index month over month for NZD. The Royal Reserve Bank of Australia assistant governor speaks. Tertiary industry activity. We'll have a look at that because I forgot what it is. Changes in total value of services produced by businesses. So yeah, pretty much is what it is. RBA speaks again. Different person, obviously. So average earning index. So that's pretty straightforward. So they're just gauging like what employees are getting paid, pretty much. So nothing too crazy. All these Great British Pound are all pretty much to do with employment and unemployment. I think so. This one here, it almost seems like your benefits and all that. But anyway, it's the first time I've really heard this name. I couldn't really look it up too much, but and then unemployment rate, German zoo. This is the one I was looking at before. So the acronym explained is I don't even really want to pronounce it, otherwise it might look like an idiot. But anyway, it's a survey of 160 institutional investors about analysts into 6 months into the future. So overall health of the economy and all that. But yeah, this word here, I'm going to look it up, and I should have tried to pronounce it at least. But anyway, industrial production, pretty self-explanatory. And then another one of these, and then for CAD we got housing starts. So they're just gauging how many new houses are coming up. So overall health of the economy again, and lots of, if you're trading CAD tonight, there's obviously a lot of news. So you got consumer price index for all these. So you got medium, and then trim. So and then common, and then core. So you normally see core. You normally see CPI and core. So but the median is there and all that. So a lot of news, a lot of probably data points coming out as well. So and then you got retail, core retail sales as well, and then retail sales for USDs. And then so all these pairs will pretty much move, well, maybe moving on. I'm not too sure, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see. And then import prices for USD, that's just gauging the, I guess, inflation or ups and downs of the previous data set. So all right, we'll move on. So nothing crazy except for that name, but shout out to all the Germans, I guess. But all right, so we'll move on to some technicals. So this is the trade I do have live. I've just got 1%. I might have nearly stopped me out, so we'll see how it all goes. So it's just and that isn't a problem anyway, because this is just it's just a game of probability. So don't stack anything on one trade. You kind of want how many trades you really want. You want to over 20, 30 trades or 100 trades to kind of play your game of probability out instead of one. So if this doesn't go my way, it's no biggie. But why I took it, right, is and nothing in this video is financial advice and all. do so at your own risk and all that. But yeah, so there was Asia low here, and then there was previous week high here, and then liquidity here. So I just took it. Oh, pretty much. Yeah, I wrote out the settings here. So this is actual my trade. So yeah, to be honest, there was my bigger out of this liquidity here, but I did think it was just a quick trade down to the bottom of Asia session, and I was going to get out. So yeah, we'll see. As I said, if it doesn't go my way, it's all cool. If it does, that's even better. But yeah, it's just a game of probability at the moment. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I'll have over doing this every day, a large set of trades over, yeah, hundreds and hundreds of trades that we can look at, not just one. So, but yeah, that's my trade for today. So, yeah, anyway, we'll move on. So, all right, pound USD, kind of same. They're kind of correlating, but they're not. So all this looks the same, but you got a lot of inner structure here. So not the big liquidity that was overshadowing my trade. So this could do the same thing. Just, yeah, your next big liquidity point, or maybe where it's going, it could be down. But as I said, markets do some crazy stuff, so you're never too sure. So, oh, sorry, there's a mosquito in here. But anyway, we'll move. Yeah, we'll move on to USDMX. This is the same kind of. It's just, yeah, very bearish at the moment. So when that comes back, we're not too sure. But it has been trending now bearish for a few days. So, but yeah, nothing that I've taken of interest of USDMX. But yeah, and then we'll move on to S&P 500. So S&P 500 is up 0.47%, as I was saying before, and it's pretty much just, yeah, taking all-time highs. So Thursday moved up, and then, yeah, just pretty much around here. So no one knows what will happen, but yeah, definitely interesting to look at. So NASDAQ is up 0.84, and then, yeah, that is taking all-time highs. So interesting stuff there. I'm sure a lot of people will be freaking out, but and loving it or not loving it. But yeah, and then we got Dow Jones that is, yeah, kind of retracing from that all-time high set on Friday. So at 0.11%. So yeah, as of what is it? Yeah, as of the trades, I'm gonna have a look tonight, and then I'm gonna see how I can flick between the brokers and all that. So hopefully, yeah, I just need to cut off a bit of the screen, so, and just check over that I'm not, yeah, leaking too much information, because I'm not that tech savvy, and I don't know who can take advantage of yeah, brokers, and yeah, I just don't trust myself putting myself out there too much on the internet like that. So yeah, I'll just maybe tomorrow night. But yeah, that was the trade, the Euro USD. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully I don't get stopped out, but it is no worries if I do. But yeah, we'll see. That, yeah, cool. Anyway, cheers, guys. Yeah, always a pleasure, I guess. And yeah, type in the comments if you have any questions. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.